Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail inbox not updating. If your Gmail inbox isn't updating, it usually means the app can't sync with Google's servers. So your internet connection isn't stable or a sync setting has been turned off. The good news is that most sync issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. So first is to check your internet connection. So go to your phone settings. Now Gmail needs a stable internet connection to receive new emails. So on settings, select Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then you can open a website to confirm your connection is truly working. Then turn airplane mode on and off. So go back and turn airplane mode on. So leave it on for about 10 seconds and turn it off after 10 seconds. Then go back to Gmail, then try syncing Gmail again and see if that works. Next is to refresh Gmail manually. Sometimes Gmail simply needs a manual refresh. So open the Gmail app, then swipe down from the top of the inbox just like so, and wait for the loading icon to finish. If new emails appear, the issue was only temporary. Next is to enable Gmail Sync. If Sync is disabled, Gmail won't update automatically. So open the Gmail app, tap the three line in the top left corner, then scroll down and select settings. Then from here, scroll down. So go to general and under general, select data usage. Then turn on sync Gmail. Then click on done to save the changes. Next is to check device sync settings. Your phone may have disabled background syncing. So on iPhone, open settings. Then from here, go to mail. So search for mail, then go to accounts. Then select Gmail accounts and ensure mail is turned on. So I just turned it on. So go to settings, go to mail, then fetch new data and enable automatic updates if available. Now, if you're using Android, you can open settings, then go to accounts or passwords and accounts. Select your Google account and just tap account sync and make sure Gmail is enabled. Then go back to Gmail, refresh the page, and see if that works. Thank you for watching.